Hi, and welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments, where we have premium quality 2-bedroom apartments for rent. Today we're visiting a fully remodeled 2-bedroom unit at 938 Sheridan Street. Coming through the main entrance of this second-floor apartment, we enter into the roomy living room space. This unit is 750 square feet total. Check out this great patio with sliding glass door. The carpeting in this apartment is new, and so is this light that hangs in the dining room. Next, let's head into the galley kitchen. This kitchen is all new. New appliances, new luxury vinyl tile flooring, countertops, cabinets. There's even a dishwasher and microwave included in this unit. It has a storage pantry as well. Making our way down the hall, we have the fully renovated bathroom. This room features a new vanity and countertop, mirrored medicine cabinet, and modern lighting, as well as a new tub, toilet, and flooring. Here we have the 155 square foot primary bedroom, complete with a nice big bifold closet. We make our way into the smaller secondary bedroom, which is roughly 100 square feet. It would be perfect as a home office or studio. This room also has a closet for additional storage space. Here's your hall closet for linens and additional storage. And lastly, you have your own brand new washer and dryer in a separate laundry closet. These are included with your apartment. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.